Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. Sorry I didn't have the video this morning. Long story short, I slept later than I expected this morning, so I kind of overslept this morning. And then I was volunteering this morning into early afternoon, so I couldn't do the video. I couldn't do the video this morning. So anyway, now I'm here, so let's get to it. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses west central and southwestern Kansas, much of the panhandle of Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma, and parts of the panhandle of Texas. Cities in today's enhanced include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Pampa, Texas, and Borger, Texas. And we have a slight risk today that encompasses the far eastern edge of New Mexico, northwestern Oklahoma, the western part of northwestern Texas, not Oklahoma. The slight risk encompasses far eastern edge of New Mexico, northwestern Texas, western Oklahoma, the western part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, central and northwestern Kansas, eastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. Cities in today's slate include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Cheyenne, Wyoming. And we have two marginals today. One marginal covers western Texas, much of New Mexico, central Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, parts of Colorado, southeastern and far northwestern Nebraska, western Iowa, southeastern Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, far southeastern North Dakota, and much of Minnesota. And we have another marginal today that covers much of Florida. Cities in today's marginals include Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Miami, Florida, and Wichita, Kansas. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, much of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, extreme southwestern Minnesota, and extreme northwestern Iowa. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and North Platte, Nebraska. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That encompasses west central and southwestern Kansas, much of the panhandle of Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma, and the northeastern part of the panhandle of Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Pampa, Texas, and Borger, Texas. And we have a slight risk today that encompasses the far eastern edge of New Mexico, northwestern Texas, parts of Oklahoma, the western panhandle of Oklahoma, as well as western Oklahoma, central and northwestern Kansas, eastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, southeastern South Dakota, and southwestern Minnesota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Cheyenne, Wyoming. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hurricane-force winds of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Amarillo, Texas, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, Plainview, Texas, and Liberal, Kansas. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hurricane-force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. And we have two areas. Oh, why'd you do that to me? we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering much of New Mexico, western Texas, central Oklahoma, parts of Colorado, eastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, parts of Iowa, southeastern and far northwestern Nebraska, southeastern Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, and much of Minnesota. And the other 5% today covers much of parts of Florida. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Miami, Florida, and Wichita, Kansas. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of the panhandle of Texas, much of the panhandle of Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, southeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, southeastern South Dakota, and southwestern Minnesota. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Amarillo, Texas, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Grand Island, Nebraska. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one encompassing parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, western Oklahoma, the western and far eastern parts of the panhandle of Oklahoma, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, parts of Wyoming, far northwestern and southeastern Nebraska, western Iowa, parts of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, and parts of Minnesota. And the other 5% hail risk today covers parts of Florida. Cities in the 5% hail risk area include Omaha, Nebraska, Miami, Florida, Wichita, Kansas, Aurora, Colorado, and Lincoln, Nebraska. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are likely from the Texas Panhandle and northwest Oklahoma and western Kansas. Severe gusts 60 to 75 miles per hour will be the primary hazard, and localized gusts of 75 to 90 miles per hour are possible. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and for some areas, the threats are going to the night. So, before you go to bed tonight, have a way of being notified for severe weather tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight. Sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move. So, stay safe today and tonight, and my day 2 outlook will come out pretty soon. Take care.